Good afternoon and welcome to your weekly ETF report. Today is Wednesday, September 14th, 2011. Equity markets are seeing a period of stabilization and limited recovery. Trading Central's ETF portfolio does remain unchanged this week from the previous week. And since the inception of Trading Central's ETF portfolio, which was the beginning of this year, January 2011, it is higher by 68%. Now, the ISE options portfolio, which is more leverage and also a simulated portfolio, is at 680% since the beginning of this year. Now, moving on to Trading Central's ETF portfolio performance, it is important to remember that it has not taken into account two recommendations, and the target and stop loss has not been reached. Now, moving on to where we stand in terms of prior Trading Central ETF product recommendations. Last Monday, Trading Central sent out a recommendation to buy the ETF First ChIndia Index Fund with the product quoted at 21.31. Now, Trading Central said that the RSI is expected to bounce off the declining trend line, which is acting as a support. Now, the daily MACD was also facing its signal line. The strategy target was set at 22.95, and quotes were slightly above entry prices. The First Trust ChIndia Fund is an ETF incorporated in the U.S. The fund seeks investment results that correspond to the ISE-Chindia index. It is also exposed to stocks from both China and India. Now, moving on to the upcoming trading week, from a technical perspective, the Direxion daily natural gas related twice ETF is worth taking a closer look at. Now, it is shaping a bullish flag pattern, and the 50 and 100-day moving average is also offering strong supports. The daily RSI for that fund is supported by a rising trend line. Now, the Direxion daily natural gas related twice ETF seeks a daily investment results, and before fees and expenses, the product has 200% of the inverse of the price performance of the ISE-Reverse natural gas. Taking a look at the ISE-Reverse natural gas index, it was created to provide investors with a product so that they could take advantage of event-driven news as well as long-term trends of the natural gas industries. Now, the securities that are selected for this index derive a substantial portion of its revenue from exploration and production of natural gas. In terms of eligible securities for this natural gas index, it is screened by stock performance variables as well as statistics. That does help optimize the performance of the index and ensures that the product has significant correlation to the price of natural gas. In addition, the index also uses an equal weighted method because of the diversity in market capitalization size amongst the component stocks. And that does wrap it up for a weekly ETF report. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in next Wednesday for your latest update.